Natanong mo ba siya na if he dated trans before?
Let's talk about that evening time.
Mamaya, may part 3 to.
So later na po.
So, ayun, nagbabalik ko kami. Ito yung part 2.
Ay, wait, dumating na si Mike.
Yung hindi, pinaka-winning part nung
Okay.
nag-end up kami ng relationship namin. Yung mother niya, alam, for the past 9 years, and also yung tatay, and the rest of the friends, and yung ex-wife, first time kung nakausap yung nanay niya.
For 9 years?
For 9 years. And email pa.
Tapos,
Nag-email yung nanay niya sa akin na parang like, she's begging na let go ko na kasi mahal na mahal ako nila. Nanay niya ang nagsabi na mahal ako ng anak niya and he cannot afford to lose me. You know what I said?
Talaga?
Ano na po kami, ako na yung nag-give in.
Your son is all yours.
Hindi, ako na yung nag-give in for us. And I thank you for everything na yung parang support niya sa akin. You know, nag-reply nanay, nagpasalamat siya sa akin ng sobra-sobra.
Ang taray.
ito lang, para lang mas understandable sa lahat. Kasi, ano ba talaga? Ano yung rason kung bakit nag-let go ka? Kasi you don't have to give us all the details, but why do you have to choose yourself after 9 years?
Because I have enough and I give everything sa isang tao na I don't deserve na ganunin ako because mahal ko yung sarili ko eh, you know. But when during the time na kami, I don't think na mahal ko yung sarili ko na super buo.
You lost yourself while loving someone.
Yes.
Ay, ganon.
Oo. Tapos nag-space na ako. Sabi ko this time, I'm on my own.
Were there any physical violence happening?
Ay wala. Never. No.
Wala.
Wala kaming
But you only lost yourself, yun nga, while loving someone.
Yes.
Which also happens to me, and I think it happens to most of us. We often forget to love ourselves while we are loving someone else.
Yes.
I agree.
No?
Nagka-physical violence ba kayo?
Hindi.
May ano?
Grabe, wala.
Kasi yung ex ko from Canada, physical violence. Pero hindi.
Oo, yung macho, yung guwapo.
Hindi yun. Yung isa.
May iba.
Yung vegan.
Ang dami niya.
So, lalagay ko yung picture.
Alam naman,
Kasi yung kwento mo, ang dami sa atin, especially trans women, who wanted to stay in a relationship even if they lost themselves. Kasi nga, it's so difficult for us to find someone who's going to love us.
Yes, and yun yung thinking.
Yun yung thinking, yes.
Yes. Kaya,
So it was
bad.
so brave of you for 9 years to give up and find yourself again.
Yes, and I think I got matured enough.
And you find it on my transgender date.
Yes.
Ayun!
Yes,
Diba?
oo, kasi parang sabi ko nga, hindi ako mag-grow pagka meron akong somebody with me hanggat di ko nare-realize na mahal ko ba yung sarili ko. Pero, feeling ko, when you go on date, kasi di ba ang dating naman is iba-ibang klase.
Yeah.
Agree?
Agree.
May date na parang light lang, may date na parang, something
Casual. Para sa akin yung mga dates is like my casual, my sine, my coffee,
yeah,
dinner.
may flavor.
Yes.
And that's, I think, the girls would understand because the guys knows it eh. You
Yes.
agree?
Minsan
Yes.
hindi rin kasi.
Totoo
Alam mo,
ba,
Sa
guys?
dating, sa my transgender date, minsan kasi, yung mga members natin, they assume na once the guy started talking to them, started speaking
Yeah,
to them,
yeah.
parang siguro it's a cultural thing na parang we assume that as panliligaw na sa atin.
Is it just for Filipinos or in the other countries
I don't know.
also?
Pero typically kasi mga Filipina members, di ba?
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So parang na-hurt sila kaagad na pag nag-ghost sila kasi the guy is talking to someone else na sakit na talaga tayo.
I think it has something to do with trauma. Because we all have experienced those types of being a secret of someone, and then all of a sudden, we're so used to be treated as temporary. I think that's where we all are coming from. Most of trans women would probably agree with me na we easily get hurt if we get ghosted because of the past experience that we mostly had. Kasi nga, yung mga trans-oriented naman is not that open.
Yes.
So they tend to like be discreet and ghost us. Like they don't truly see us as valuable kasi nga parang hinahanap lang nila is yung pandalian.
Or dahil na rin meron silang parang stages of dating. Kasi sa atin, kasi pag dinate ka, ikaw na yun.
Yes.
Parang ikaw na
That's the
ikaw
mind
na yung
thought.
final,
Yeah.
finalist eh.
Ganun
sa
ba yun?
Oo.
Na-observe ko yan sa mga lalaki
Sa
sa
chat, inside, yes.
Parang sa kanila, casual dating is you talk to multiple people. Tapos kung sino yung nag-click doon, then that's the only time you go to exclusively date.
Because that's what I do.
Na ano, madami? Yung message. Guys, valid sa kanya because she's the COO.
Hindi, but that's basically the point of getting to know people.
Yeah, but not
Not
a
for
lot.
Not
most
for lot.
Pinay.
Kasi parang,
Okay, got
parang kasi,
it.
Okay.
Our members is coming from the province. So, syempre, di ba usually sa ano natin,
Alright. Naintindihan ko na.
so, syempre, parang, ay, kinakausap ako, parang magliligaw na ako.
Okay.
Alam mo yun, parang Filipino pa rin tayo, na parang,
Okay.
di ba, parang, ay, if someone gave you attention, parang, we already assume that he has the intention to, pursue a serious relationship.
Ang gandang topic niya yan kasi it has something to do with cultural differences.
Yes.
And that's what I have experienced when we and my partner started.
Walang name drop, Thea. So, alam nyo naman siguro yun. No, ako din, I agree. I'm messaging some guys and guys are messaging me too kasi they know na you're working for the site, ganyan. They thought I'm a moderator, ganyan. Marami akong kinakausap, but right, tama ka, because yung iba kasi, kinikwento din nila sa akin na parang, what are you looking for, ganyan. Sinasabi ko, friends, ganyan. Tapos yung iba, kinikwento nila na 1 day lang, 2 days lang, parang sila na daw, magjowa na sila. And then
Ang
they're...
daming kwentong ganon. Most of the success stories actually just chatted for like 2 to 3 days and then they hit it off. Parang it's
okay.
magic. I think it's really true when they say love moves in a mysterious way.
Yes. And one thing that maybe I give advice to them is give yourself time. Hindi... Ha? Ano yun?
Parang may chocolate ka, girl.
Ako?
Oo. Oo nga, chocolate na siya. Diba ang sweet na ako?
Oo, ang sweet.
After 9 years, kumusta naman yung puso? I learned so much from your experience, especially the part where you lost yourself while loving someone. Because
Yeah.
that's mostly one of the hardest thing to identify when you are deeply in love with someone. Naranasan mo ba rin yun?
Oo.
Parang wala, parang lahat ng mga lalaki ay nalolost sa'yo.
Ano ba yung mukha na to? Paggawa
Saan ba
po
yan?
kayo.
Parang feeling ko puso na ang nilolotoki. Saan ba?
Nasa likod ng Mega Mall.
Anong branch yun?
I agree. When it comes to relationship talaga or dating, some things doesn't work. Dapat open
Meron
tayo,
at
handa
meron.
tayong masaktan para hindi masira ulit yung hope natin in the future to love again. Kasi parang, it's a gamble talaga eh.
Yes.
And sino ba namang hindi magka-gamble na maging happy, di ba? And you can, parang, in exchange for happiness, I would do anything talaga.
Tama nga naman.
At saka parang hindi ka masyado masaktan. You work for yourself muna.
What happened ba after 9 years? Kumusta na yung puso mo after 9 years?
Ay,
Di ba
yun talaga
sa'yo,
yun,
Day?
yun ko parang iniwasan ko yung tanong na yun.
Kumusta yung puso mo after 9
Kamusta nga ba?
years?
So,
Ngayon, I'm very happy because after the breakup, there's another heartbreak that I had recently.
Sabi nga nila, practice makes perfect. Pa-practice
Pero
na.
ayoko na mag-practice, Tay. But this is something that I wanted to share with the girls that it's never been bad to try to love somebody or parang to pass phase or parang to learn to love.
O ito, honest to ha,
Oo.
I'm still afraid of falling in love.
Totoo.
Yes. Kaya nga siguro I chose to be single because it's a lot easier and I have a diversion, which is the work.
Yun yung matured way sa'yo.
Pero
Yun yung
alam mo,
matured
sabi
way.
nila, yung pangatlo daw talaga. ang
Doon ka
magpapangin-
matututo.
oo, parang-
Yes.
Wait, pangilan na ba lang? 9 years? Kailan ba yung 9 years? Kailan ba natapos yun?
2022, when I joined...
Ay, wait. Last year lang?
When I joined MTD, after a month, so parang kaka-break ko lang talaga nun. It was 1 month bago ko nag-join sa MTD. Tapos doon na nag-start. And it's a good way. I'm really thankful kay Cyril kasi binigyan niya talaga ako ng way para ma-cope up ko yung
To make you feel busy.
Oo, to make me feel busy, tapos to make me proud myself. Ay, ito pa, may kwento ako.
Go.
So, ito yung something, girls, na gusto ko din i-share dun sa iba, na during the time when I was with him, kasi nga nagpe-prepare na kami for, di ba, 6 years, tapos na-in love na ako, nagpe-prepare na kami for the future.
Getting married?
Get going to the country.
Oh.
Nandun na kami sa stage na yon. So talagang he's pushing for his divorce na, ganyan. But syempre yun na naman the divorce process. Me, personally, when I was preparing myself, I know that I have skills. Ito yung something na alam ko, kinento ko kay Cyril. I have skills, kaya, syempre, di ba, dahil yung mga sweldo naman natin, like, in reality, they know na pag if you're an employee, hindi naman sobrang ganong kalakihan. So, we have to make extra. Noong time na yon, nanghihiram ako ng money sa kanya. Actually, hiram to ha. I never been sponsored, you know that.
Pag-usapan natin yung financial assistance later.
Yes, yung financial assistance may ibang topic, but I never been, yung parang, yung monthly or ano, yung parang, or help me, ganyan. No, I wasn't like that. Sabi ko lang sa kanya one time when we're preparing for the future, sabi ko, baka pwede mo naman ako pahiramin ng pera pang laptop. Olo, sabi niya, you save your money for 1 year. Tapos saka ka bumili. False na parang hindi siya nagtiwala.
For 9 years? 9 years?
9 years yun, ha?
Nagtiwala ng gano'n.
Yeah. So may mga guy na gano'n. Pero
Ang nationality niya? Charot.
Para maiwasan na natin. Joke lang.
kasi 'di ba may mga trans din na ayaw talaga nila na as much as possible we're looking for love, we're looking for ganyan. So ganun nga yung motivation
Yes,
before.
yes.
Tapos nung naghiwalay kami, yun yung time na sinabi ko sa sarili ko, wait, binigay ko yung sarili ko sa'yo, tapos naghahanda na ako for future, pagkatiwalaan mo lang ako. That's the time na pumasok sa Cyril, na sabi niya, mag-start ka na lang mag-edit muna ng video, ganyan. Tapos, after that, nakakuha ka ng clients, and then, nag-excel ako sa trabaho, sa company, sa isa kong company. Lahat, parang dumating siya sa point na binlessing ako ni Lord, na lahat na bigay sa akin na hindi ko napapansin. I love myself more. Na sobra-sobra to the point na siya yung first na yung talagang totally law
Alam mo,
and
sabi
serious.
sa Google, according to
wow.
Google,
Google talaga.
you fall in love 3 times. So, yung una mo, the first love that feels right. The second is the love that hurts.
Oh my God!
And
Si
the
ano?
third is the love that lasts.
Ah.
Diba? So, diba na-hurt ka na? So,
Na-hurt
yung kasunod
ako.
neto, yun na yung maglalas.
Yung pangalawa, nakasama natin sa dinner, na-hurt ako noon.
Na-hurt ka talaga.
Ay, talaga?
Oo, hindi, di ba no? Ultima si Sean. Sabi niya, ultima ikaw. Sabi, hindi kita nakilalang ganun ka. Ba't ka na in love?
Oo.
Sabi ko, hindi ko din alam.
O, pag-usapan natin yan later. Pero,
Oo. Pero ngayon, yun nga, sobrang happy ko. Accepted ko na yung different kind of dating girls. Kasi di ba there's lot of type of dating. Dati hindi. Ang alam ko lang dating na pag nag-date ako, dapat exclusive ako. Dapat ako lang. Dapat, alam mo yun, kailangan serious ka agad. Ganun. No. Hindi siya
You don't
applicable.
rush. If you rush, talagang
Yes.
you will end up expecting something big and then
Yes.
end up being hurt.
And you know what? The more you're pushing the guy na parang, no, I'm not gonna be serious muna because of this, because of that, mas lalo sila nang gigigil. Mas lalo kang hinahabol. Proven tested. I think. Ano ko?
ay wala
Ito,
akong dates. No, I'm too busy. Char.
Sana all busy. O, diba?
Oo, yung parang yun yung na-realize ko sa site na, naman, I'm talking with guys, I'm open that I'm single, I'm working with that site, ganito, ganyan. So, open ako sa kanila na sinasabi ko that I am not really capable of being you muna, you lang. Pero gusto ko lang talagang i-weigh na pag tayo.
But how do you draw the line of not being a playgirl and just getting to know a lot of people?
I'm being open. That's
Good.
Ito yung status ng buhay ko where I'm not ready enough
To commit.
to commit with the date. But if you can wait, if you think I'm worth to wait, then you do it. Because there's plenty of fish.
So if they can wait, bibigyan mo sila ng priority number. Ganon.
Parang ganun.
Taray, ganda mo, girl.
And then I'm telling them the future na I'm going to other country, I'm going to ganyan, but it doesn't mean
Yun yung thin line na pag playgirl ka, you don't let people know na parang you're seeking something serious. Parang, alam mo yun, parang papaasahin mo din
That's
You're-
where you distinguish yourself of being
A playgirl.
mature
Yes.
and just playing somebody else's part.
And aminin mo to, pag playgirl ka, the more playgirl you are, pag naging serious yung playgirl na yon, yun ang sobrang katakutan mo because they're really serious.
So playgirl ka na yun.
Oo, yes.
Ay, wow!
Hindi ko kakat yun Yes, because I've been there to the point na kala ko lahat is dapat magical, dapat perfect. But you have to accept yung sinabi mo that you have to accept there's
Maybe it's because
something na.
lumaki tayo sa pinalaki tayo ng parents natin sa fairy tales.
And I'm so happy na I'm openly talking to the guys na sinasabi ko na hindi po muna ako okay, hindi pa ako ready,
Which is,
ganyan.
there's nothing wrong being honest
Oo.
from the
Of
very
course.
beginning.
And you know what ang sabi ni nung previous nga, actually hindi ko siya nakadate si hindi kami socially like na date ng yung date na
Si
I
Bago,
love-
si 2022?
si 2023
Ay, si 2023?
sa dinner.
Okay.
Si dinner, si Balisin, si gano'n. Alam mo, sabi niya na nagising ako, which is tama siya. Sabi niya, alam mo kasi ako yung unang lalaki na kasama mo after him.
Yeah.
And you are infatuated with me. You are blinded because you've been nice to me and I've been nice to you. But look at the benefit of, at kung magstay tayo as friends.
After the 9 years, na-meet mo si Dinner Guy.
Mr. Balisin,
Si Mr.
2023.
Balisin Dinner, Mr. Balisin 2023.
And it was just really a friend status. And believe it or not sa site, guys, hindi lahat ng nahahanap ninyo sa site is pang dating sila like for the love or like a relationship. But it's still love. Kasi yung friendship
It's still
nandun.
dating.
It's still dating.
Right?
Yes. At naglalast.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because everyone who joins the site hopes to find someone
Yes.
they can connect with.
Exactly.
But it should start with somewhere else. It should
Yes.
probably start like a hookup or
Yes.
a friendship or sort of like that.
Will not take naman a minute or two to check the profile if may, di ba may mga friendship?
Yes.
Di ba may
yes,
ganon
yes,
or
yes.
ano? So may nakalagay na looking for fun. So alam yun na doon. So we're not here to babysit
Yes.
yun. Ako nag-ano yan, naghanap lang ng something fun, di ba? So
Yes.
if you're an adult person, you're 18 and above, so it's your obligation and responsibility na okay to read someone's profile and in respect for your time and his time, alam yun na yung hinahanap niyo
Tama.
para at the end, hindi kayo nagkakasakitan.
No
Ah.
one's gonna be blamed, but
Totoo.
Yes.
only yourself. Whatever your expectation you set, viewing a profile.
Totoo yun, viewing a profile. Take best
May
advice.
responsible driving, may responsible dating din.
And reading.
Tama.
And reading also, di ba?
Oo. Pag hindi ka nagbasa ng instruction ng, let's say, manual ng isang bagay, posibleng mong masira
Yes.
siya, di ba? O posibleng you end up hurting yourself. Halimbawa, 110 to, tapos sinaksak mo sa 220, masabugan ka, di ba, girl? O, di ba?
Ang witty mo ngayon.
Oo. Siyempre, vlog yan. For the vlog yan. For today's video lang yan.
Hindi, pero totoo yun. Kasi ako, parang feeling ko visual akong tao. And most of the people, I guess. Kasi,
Yes.
you know, especially us trans, they're looking for beautiful girls. They're looking for ganyan. So, talagang primary ang photos. It could be attractive, it could be naka-swimsuit or whatever to make you feel good or attractive. But, best advice, tama, is to read profile because makikita mo talaga dun kung ano yung prospect nila, especially sa sexual preference.
Yes.
And something na natutunan ko sa'yo.
Yes.
Yun yung ine-explain ko sa mga alay. And mas lalo nila
Maintindihan,
naiintindihan.
di ba?
Yes, tama ka.
Visual talaga yung mga lalaki.
Mm-mm.
And no matter what you do, I'll go back to what to what we said na you really have to love yourself. Kasi naman, if you're eyeing on a guy and then that guy wants morena and then you wanted to become morena but then at the end of the day hindi ka talaga morena, eh di magka-skin cancer ka
Yeah.
lang sa pagkakataan mo, di ba? So it's just really a matter of loving yourself. That's why
Yes.
I still applaud you for that 9 years and
Yes.
deciding na I have to let go because I wanted to find myself.
Before kami maghiwalay kasi nga may ginawa nga siyang kalokohan. Ako nakikipaghiwalay nun to the fact na talagang wala lang. Gusto ko na lang talaga maghiwalay. Dumating
So
ako.
there was that point na you really have to say no because something happened.
Yes.
See,
Pinakain
this is
kita.
what I was telling earlier. Nung tinanong niyo ako about if masasaktan ba ako if yung pinapalit is sis. Mas masakit if tinago.
Tinago, yes, yes.
Parang walang respeto.
Exactly.
Ngayon, sabi mo, after 9 years, nasaktan ka ulit.
Oo, kay ano nga.
May dinner, bakit?
Na-infatuate ako. Kasi
Pero
hindi
ang
ko...
sabi mo sa akin, hindi talaga. Friends lang talaga kayo.
Friends
But
lang
what
talaga
happened?
kami. Pero nung nawala na siya, nung umuwi na siya sa... Umuwi na siya. Doon ko na-realize
Sa
na
land down under.
Sa Kuala.
umiiyak ako sa katrabaho ko na hindi ko naman ginagawa. Umiiyak ako sa boss ko, umiiyak ako sa nanay ko. Sabi ko, shit, ano nangyari? Na-spell ba ako? Kasi hindi ako ganon. Hindi ako easily to give in na bakit ako na in love. You know why? I think siya yung maybe kauna-unahang lalaki na nakasama ko na sobrang respect niya.
Yes, possible.
Sobrang respect niya. Sobrang talino niya. Na-open kami sa
He
lahat.
makes you laugh with no
Yes,
reason.
and during the time that he's here, he's really meeting somebody else. And which is fine with me.
Or maybe, ito yung isa sa mga sitwasyon na you found love at the wrong time.
And a wrong person.
And the wrong person talaga.
Oo, sa partnership ha, but ito na yung point. Hindi ko siya nilove ngayon as a partner, but I love him much now in a different way as a friend. Na totaling hanggang tumanda kami, alam ko kaibigan ko siya.
So, parang
Ate na niya ako.
Parang
Ganun.
totoo yung sinabi niya na infatuated ka, it's because
Kasama ko kasi siya.
kasama
In
mo
times
siya,
of darkness.
and at the same time, siya yung una-unang lalaki who have seen your vulnerabilities
Yes.
after that 9 years breakup.
Yes. Sinabi ko sa kanya lahat about yung nangyari. Sabi ko, ay, hindi ko ako nagkikwento sa iba. About sa life namin. Now lang. Kaya,
Kinakabahan ako kasi may kwento ako. Ay, kinakabahan ako, girl, kasi nga, it's not the same guy, but the same situation. So, I was preparing Miss International Queen Philippines
Okay, teka.
last year.
gandang usapan. Tapos nandito kami ha.
Ayun, I was preparing for Miss International Queen Philippines. This was last year, around June. And then ang nangyari was, okay, I'm super tired of going through this whole process. I needed a break.
Something to relax.
I needed, like, para bang someone na, okay, I needed a distraction for a bit. So, ayun, nag-swipe ako.
Left, right.
Of course, right.
Ano, super like.
Hindi rin.
Di ba may super like yun?
So it was just a plain hookup in the very beginning. Yun lang talaga ang gusto ko. I just wanted to release all the pressure and stuff like that. And I wanted to get to know I wanted to talk to someone, stranger, so that he will not remember whatever I said. Diba? That's the whole point.
Okay.
So one day hook up, nagiging 2 days.
Saglit.
Teka lang. Okay, Ning.
Sino ang nag-initiate ng second meeting?
Mutual. Do you wanna have coffee again tomorrow? Parang,
Parang gusto namin malaman yung details niya.
do you wanna have coffee again tomorrow? And I was like, may appointment na ako sa derma, but after that, yes, why
libre
not?
na.
And then he was like, oh, okay, because I also have work, so maybe we can have lunch we can have coffee after lunch. Let's go to a church. Let's go to downtown, so you could take photos.
Gawin
Kasi
mo
nga
yung church.
photographer
Oy,
siya.
Talagang dinala ka sa church.
No, siya ang dinala ko sa church
Okay.
to show him, the culture and
Tourist
stuff
guide.
like that. Tourist guide.
Parang yung ginawa mo sa akin sa Cebu.
Of course.
Oh, tourist guide.
Yun nga. After the second day, do you have something to do by the next day? And I was like, I have a meeting with my makeup team and the glam team and everything, but after that, I'm free. And he was like, okay, I'll wait for you to be free. And 3 days, naging 2 weeks.
Okay. Ano petsa ngayon?
And 2 weeks, nagiging 2 months.
Oh.
Ay, feeling ko. And how about until now?
Ang ganda. Siyempre.
No,
Ay,
it's
hindi
getting
na.
passive. So that's where it hurts
Ano ba yan?
because we know from the very beginning
That you have
that we're
something-
not going anywhere. But then, from my end, I just feel like you wouldn't expect that you would be having sort of special feelings to someone in an unexpected situation. Parang sa'yo din. And we spent time in one of the islands in the Philippines
Ay!
for 2 weeks.
At name mo yon kung saan. Ay, parang feeling ko may picture siya doon.
Ay, parang sa letter S ba yan?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi. Ay!
One of the islands in the Philippines.
Oo, alam ko yun. Sinabi ni Lolo.
I-promote na natin yung island na yan for tourism
Parang El Nido
purposes.
yata yun.
Maganda yung El Nido. The last time I was there was El Nido. But then yun na nga, I stayed with him in a specific island for 2 weeks.
For yung mga
And then-
marites.
Ilan?
2 weeks.
2
For 10
weeks.
days.
Oh.
And we stayed together.
Iba't nga kapag yung setting, romantic.
Maganda,
Alam mo
oo.
yan, there's really, talaga, yung ma-fall ka.
The good part was we have a healthy conversation and to the point na we agree to disagree. So para bang
Yeah.
to understand our limits, like okay, that's your opinion, that this is my opinion. Well, I must admit, na-miss ko yung tao.
Aww.
Na-miss ko siya. And then, I just hope na meron pang, but alam kong wala. Parang sa'yo na din. And I don't know if we will be friends. And we're passively communicating with each other. Hi, hello, like
Ay,
strangers.
it's nice. It's nice. Fairness, ha, maganda yung you don't cut ties. Parang, alam mo yun, you gain friends.
Pero
Yes.
masakit.
Oo. Yeah.
Yes, di
Pero
ba?
masakit.
Di ba?
Masakit because you want more, but you
Yes,
don't.
yes. Ikaw
Di
na
ba? Sabi ko sa'yo. Sabi ko sa'yo. Pareho tayo.
nila.
Wow, grabe. Para bang ano, you know you're taking it in a matured way, but you
Yes.
don't have to lie to yourself that it hurts because you're missing the person. Because you know you want more, but then you also know that there could not be more.
Hindi lang, hanggang dun lang. It's a happy beginning. Siyempre, we don't expect na.
Yes.
But darating ang araw na tatanggapin mo na in a different way talaga yung pagmamahal mo sa isa't
Yes.
isa.
Kasi na-miss ko talaga siya. Para bang ano ba? Magpapakatotoo nga tayo.
But I think it's his personality ang naano mo. Yung yung ganon.
Tsaka yung bait nila na kasi iba yung magkasama kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Iba yung pag may ibang tao.
This is the reason why every time I chat with someone, I always set their expectations na it's really different if I meet someone in person because that's where I gauge if I have a connection or not rather than just online chat.
Tama. Yeah.
Even video call, it's not even enough for me. It's a start, but iba pa rin yung personalan,
Right.
yung connection.
Pero yun nga, kaya nandito yung My Transgender Date kasi doon kayo mag-start.
It builds a bridge.
It builds a bridge kasi and never give up lang. Like don't expect too much but never give up. Kasi you know me, nung natagpuan ko yung 9 years ko, it took me 3 years bago ko siya nahanap. Iba-ibang klaseng date ang ginawa ko. Tapos nung time na hindi na ako nag-expect, doon na siya dumating. Same goes with the girls.
Diba?
Oo.
Hindi ko to in-expect.
Exactly. Yun yung point siguro na, di ba ikaw din si Kuya, hindi mo naman
Hindi ko na-expect
in-expect.
kasi suspicious profile siya. Diba?
Everybody has a story to tell talaga. Enjoy mo lang yung pag-chat, kaya nga meron tayong chat sa My Transgender Day sa app, di ba? O guys, download the app.
Just let things happen. Pero kung parang nagmamadali ka, parang alam mo yun, parang natanong mo ba siya na if he dated trans before? Or ikaw yung first time niya?
Tinatanong pa ba yun?
I don't know. Diba?
I do ask
Ating
that
natin
because
to know,
I
like-
prefer men who
Yes.
also prefer trans women.
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
At least, diba?
And we are sexually compatible.
Ay, alam mo na yun.
So, let's talk about that evening time.
Mamaya, may part 3 to.